Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. You have 15 questions. You have 10 seconds to solve each question. If you require more time, then you can pause the video. What is the primary language spoken in Iran? Arabic, Persian, Turkish, Kurdish. In which part of the Earth's atmosphere do we live? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. What do you call a group of locusts? Flock, cloud, school, plague. Which element is used in making batteries? Lithium, lead, magnesium, iron. How many lifeboats did the Titanic have? 14, 16, 20, 22. What is the largest flower in the world? Rafflesia, Titan arum, corpse flower, sunflower. Which country is known as the land of the long white cloud? New Zealand, Australia, Canada, Fiji. What is the official currency of Indonesia? Ringgit, baht, rupiah, dollar. Which animal has the longest migration of any mammal? Seal, caribou, whale, orca. Who invented the first practical electric motor? Thomas Davenport, Thomas Edison, Michael Faraday, John Logie Baird. What is the average surface temperature of Venus? 260 degree, 467 degree, 550 degree, 380 degree. What is the primary function of the frontal lobe? Vision, hearing, decision-making, balance. What type of building is the Taj Mahal? temple, fort, mausoleum, palace. Which of these companies was formed first? Google, Netflix, Bing, Facebook. What is the rarest color on national flags? Blue, purple, green, yellow. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.